Hi everyone, we're going to make this beautiful greeting card. First we are going to make the flowers. So fold this blue glitter paper and make a triangular shape like this. Now we are going to carve the edges. So take a scissor and cut it. Open it, you will get a flower. We are going to cut a single piece out of it using scissors. Remove the piece and paste it using a glue like this. Your flower is ready. Now we are going to make 7 such flowers and paste all of them one after another. Look at the red mark. We are going to put glue on the red mark and put flowers on the top of it like this. The red marks are going to change and look at the screen. Now paste all the flowers and finally paste it between the greeting card like this. Put a flower at the top of it and look, your greeting card is ready. In this video, we're going to make this surprise box for your loved one. So let's get started. We are going to cut this square paper, make multiple folds and start cutting here like this. Fold the alternate box and start cutting it using a cutter like this, and look, it's done. Now open it. After this, we are going to paste all the boxes. So put glue and fold it, and look, it's ready. Now we are going to make 2 more such shapes like this and put all of them one after another. Now take another piece of paper. Here we are going to make the lid of the box. So make multiple folds on it from its top and bottom. Again fold it. Now open it and press it like this. Here we are going to fold it from its sides and tuck the paper like this. Your lid is ready. Now we are going to make different messages and paste it on inside the box. Paste a flower as well and put the lid on the top of it, and look, your surprise box is ready. Let's make this beautiful flower greeting card. For that we are going to make the flowers first. So take this red graph paper, make multiple folds. Here we are going to fold it in a triangular shape and cut it from its edge. Now we are going to make multiple V cuts using scissors at the tip of the paper. Open it. Now we are going to make a cut at the center like this, and then we are going to start folding the flower from its one end. Fold it again and again, and look, it's done. Now we are going to paste all the flowers and the green stick at the center of this black graph paper. Paste all the flower using a glue like this. Now put glue on the top of it. Now fold the greeting card like this and open it. Your flower is ready. You can also paste the leaves on both sides. Decorate it more by pasting the flower on the top, and look, it's done. Look at this magic I love you card. Let's make it for your loved ones. For that we are going to cut this rectangular piece from this frame. Now put a white sheet inside it like this. After this we are going to write I love you on this white sheet of paper and put a transparent sheet on the top of it. Now trace the letters on the top of it like this. We're also pasting a strip at the top of it like this and put it inside the frame. And look, you have to put it behind the frame and in front of it, leaving a partition at the center like this. And look, it's ready. When you open it, it will look like this. Look at this beautiful heart-shaped card. Let's make it. So we're going to cut the heart shape on this pink craft paper, paste it at the center of the card. Now write I love you and start cutting the heart shape using a cutter. We are also going to cut the heart shape on the greeting card like this. Fold it and it will pop out like this. When you fold it, it will look something like this. We're also going to curve the edges. It will look more beautiful this way. You can also add more flowers to it, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.